I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Welcome to my walking tour of the scenic beaches of Castelldefels, located just a few kilometers south of Barcelona, Spain. In this video, I will take you on a relaxing stroll through the beautiful coast of this charming town, where the Mediterranean Sea meets the stunning coastline. And of course, don't forget to watch it in 4K 60 FPS to truly immerse yourself in the experience. But before we start, I would like to kindly request you to hit that like button if you enjoy this video. Your support means the world to me and encourages me to continue sharing my travels with you all. The sea breeze is perfect for these activities, and the beach is well equipped with facilities for all water sports enthusiasts. As we walk towards the end of the beach, we reach the iconic Castelldefels Castle, an ancient fortress built in the 10th century that overlooks the town and offers a panoramic view of the beach and the sea.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts of my walks, subscribe to my Patreon. Link below.
It's an excellent spot to take some photos and admire the views. Our walk continues along the beach's quieter section, where we can find secluded coves and hidden spots perfect for a peaceful escape from the crowds. The sound of the waves and the gentle sea breeze create an intimate atmosphere that is perfect for reflection and relaxation. As we come to the end of our walk, we can see the beautiful silhouette of the town's church, which dominates the skyline with its Gothic architecture. It's a perfect end to our journey, and it's a great way to see the local culture. In conclusion, the beaches of Castelldefels are a hidden gem that offers a perfect escape from the busy city life of Barcelona. The calm and serene atmosphere of the coast is ideal for relaxation, and the town's facilities cater to all visitors' needs. I hope you enjoyed this walking tour as much as I did, and if you did, please leave a comment below to let me know your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting travel content.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!